Welcome back to another episode of Cracked Housing Fab. We're here, we got the cross cart sitting here, but we don't really have exactly what we need to keep moving forward at this time. We've got the disc we need for this part to mount the drive shaft. We've got to shorten the drive shaft a little bit. So we've got a few things that we're kind of waiting on.
Yeah, we're just kind of sitting here brainstorming, kind of like what this will look like when it's mounted in place, kind of coming up with some ideas of how the rest of the frame is going to go. It's coming along sweet, though. I like it.
Yeah, so while we're waiting on that, what do you say we go kill some time and have some fun?
That sounds good to me.
Sounds good to you?
Yeah.
Why don't we throw the quad in the back of the truck and we'll go for a rip and have a little bit of fun.
Ooh, that'll be fun. And then also, guys, I mean, this is really exciting, but we are approaching 5,000 subscribers. We are blown away. I mean, we're super close to it. And we want to do a little celebration build. So we have a little surprise we are going to tell you at the end of the video. So keep watching. We're going to head over and have some fun on the quads. And we'll
have a little bit of fun. Let's do it.
All right.
Hey guys, we made it out here to Kurt's parents' house. We just wanted to take the four-wheelers out for a little ride, kind of blow off some steam. We're waiting on some stuff for the cross cart, so we might as well just have a little bit of fun, give you guys a little video, and yeah, let's go for a ride. All right guys, so we're just out here goofing around, having some fun. You guys have seen this four-wheel already in past videos, with not so simplicity. Honda 450, 2008, light modification, slip-on, air filter mod, and all that stuff. And Kurt's
here, this is a bone stock 400 Honda. Just basic, nothing done to it besides a sticker on the front. That adds a couple horsepower. But...
It sure does. Yeah, but I tell you what, they just last longer. Left alone, let's be honest.
Oh yeah, definitely nice machine.
And Honda, you can't kill it. They're just last forever. So Kurt and I were standing here talking, and I was like, I bet I can do a longer wheelie than you, Kurt. And he's like, no, no way. So
no, you can't.
What do you think?
Of course I can do a longer wheelie.
No way. We're gonna prove it. We're gonna start at this post right here, and we're gonna see who can do a longer wheelie.
And Shawn's gonna end right about here.
Hey, don't wheelie shame me.
We'll see.
Oh, either that or you go over backwards. I don't know.
That's true.
I guess we find out.
Wheelie.
That's right. Kurt getting a little practice run in here. Right here. We got to find something to mark the spot. All right, round number 2 for Kurt. Ooh, not too shabby.
How long does this count?
Does that count?
How was that one?
That was pretty good.
Perfect. I think that wins for the longest.
Yeah, but you're still short. The stick's right here. You're short by like a foot.
Oh. Well, I'll take that for my second run.
All right. All right, my turn. I don't know if I can beat what Kurt just did, so I'm just gonna start saying a bunch of excuses right now. My four-wheeler's not running right. It's too slow, too high a gearing. I can't go that slow during a wheelie. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
All right, we'll see what Shawn has for his first attempt. kind of looks like he might have beat me. He wasn't as high as what I did, but he did keep the front wheels up. You went a little fast.
Did I?
Yeah.
I think I ran over your stick out of spite.
You did. But for some reason, I don't feel like your front end was that high. But technically, it's still a wheelie because your front tires were off the ground.
It's all right. Let's see what we can do.
That's pretty good first attempt.
Let's do another round.
You beat me for distance, but not creativity yet.
Creativity or height of wheelie. Angle of wheelie, if you will.
All right, so we're gonna see Shawn's attempt number 2. Oh, he definitely beat me. He went about twice as far. Well, you definitely beat me, yeah.
No.
Yeah, you did. You beat me for distance. I beat you by angle. So I think that's a pretty good fair spot.
But let's show the viewers. If I do a wheelie too far, it'll rip the tip of my muffler off. So
yeah,
I'm just
stick fast just a little bit.
I mean, I don't want to wreck this muffler because it's expensive and I like the way it sounds.
So out of all fairness, my bar was the one that was touching the ground, not my muffler or anything like that.
Yeah.
So,
but yours definitely took the cake in the entertainment factor. That's for sure.
Absolutely, I agree. That's definitely fun.
You know what we could do?
What?
A 2-wheel contest this way.
We could.
See who goes the farthest.
See that? You go first.
I'll go first? All right, I'll go first this time. Drum was on level over there. Screwed me up.
That was pretty good. Not too bad.
A little past the stick there. You can see where my tracks were.
Yeah.
For that first one.
No, you went pretty far. I think I could win it.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what you can do.
All right. All right. Kurt's turn to do the 2-wheel contest. I don't know. It's looking pretty weak from over here. Here we go.
What do you think?
I think that was pretty good. I stopped. I know this means nothing on camera because you can't tell, but I'd say you probably went a good, I don't know, 10 yards further than I did.
I'd say.
At least. And I had a nice curve to it also.
And it's hard, like you can't, this GoPro doesn't do, this like all super unlevel all through here. Like it's hard to tell on camera, but it's like none of it's even. All right, next competition. See who can go further or faster in reverse.
In reverse. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
I think you might win on this one.
I don't know. It's going to be a close call. I think you won that one, buddy.
It was close.
Whew.
You did pretty good.
I almost fell.
Grass is getting wet.
Yep. It's
So
like,
I think I may have won, but I did have some mechanical advantages.
right. I mean,
Well, you had some too.
Yeah.
Your legs, but
an engine, and I had me.
that was a good race. You kept up pretty good, but I got you at the end.
Woo! I got my workout in for the day.
Oh,
All right.
fun. And that's one nice thing about the 400s. You have reverse.
Yeah, where you got to get off and push it like a freaking idiot when you're out on the trail.
So,
Uh,
well, that was fun.
next thing, racing.
Yeah, let's do like a 300-foot race roughly.
So,
The 400 versus the 450.
I mean, I feel like we already know what's going to win.
Of course, me on the 400.
Of course, right, yeah. The underdog always wins. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's set it up.
All right.
All right, guys, so what, basically 300-foot race?
Yeah, roughly 300 feet.
And that's, so if you can see it on the camera, there's a big, tall power lines thing back there.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to start over there, and we're going to see who wins by the time they get to the camera.
We'll see.
All right. Call that one a draw?
I think so.
It was pretty darn close.
I had you for halfway, a little bit.
Yeah.
Not by much. And then, if anything, you might have, yeah, I'd say it's pretty close.
I say we run it again.
I'd say we run it again.
All right, let's do it again. $450, baby. Number one all day long.
You had me on that.
Huh?
You had me.
Yeah, by a little bit. Honestly, it's closer than I expected.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know. You had me, but you hooked up really well. And my front end was in the ground for till I hit third gear. Like it was
Oh.
just hovering, and I couldn't just get out of that.
Right. Yeah.
So, plus, I have this exhaust that's too long and
Right,
all
yeah.
that stuff. So
Well, the first run, my headlight was on, so I think that kind of slowed me down. You know, it's a little bit of drag on the, you know, magneto or whatever they call it.
Robin horsepower.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm pretty impressed with how the 400 does
Yeah.
against the 450.
I mean, let's be honest. If any of you guys own 450s, you know you got to freaking shim valves and change oil every 5 minutes. A Honda 400, you put
Just ride
gas
it.
and oil in it, and you
Gas,
ride
oil.
it for 20 years. I mean, let's be honest.
Yeah, both nice machines though.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my 450, but the maintenance on them does get a little bit old after a while, but they do rip. It's fun.
And speaking of 450, we got to get our NSS something
NS
450 back out here, or our 1960s Simplicity with the Yamaha 450 in it.
Yeah, if you guys, is this the first video that you're seeing from us, go back in our playlist. We have a not so simplicity build list, or build playlist.
Yeah.
We took a, like Kurt said, 450 Honda or Yamaha engine and put it on an old lawnmower and built a cool chassis under it, and it's awesome.
Yeah.
That's coming back to the channel soon.
And we'll be right back out in this area with it.
Right here. Yeah, I mean, we broke it last time we were riding it out here, which you'll see if you watch the last riding video. It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Kurt was ripping and something happened, so you'll have to go watch the video to see that.
Awesome. It's getting a little dark out here now. Sun's going down, the grass is getting wet.
Yeah. But it's a little different video than what you're used to seeing from us guys. Obviously, usually see us building stuff and then riding it every once in a while, so we decided to switch it up. We had to have a little bit of fun.
Definitely.
We've both been working hard, and yeah. Anyways, back to the garage. All right, guys, we're back in the garage. Let us know in the comments who you think is better at riding a quad. I personally think it's me.
I don't know, I did a pretty good wheelie.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, yeah,
I did
angle-wise.
a 0 mph wheelie.
That's true.
I actually just stood perfectly still for a moment.
I couldn't pull
That
it
was pretty
off.
good. You couldn't do it.
Yeah. Well,
So-
let us know in the comments what you think, guys. But we're here with the surprise of our video. So why don't you go ahead and show them?
Should I show them? I don't know.
I don't know. They probably don't even care.
All right, you ready? All right.
We picked up a couple of Predator 212s.
Yes, we did. And what are we gonna do with them?
We're gonna build some drift trikes. We're gonna do a little build off between Kurt and I. Obviously, like Kurt said in the beginning of the video, we're approaching 5,000 subscribers, so thanks a lot, guys. That's freaking awesome.
Absolutely.
And you're killing it. But yeah, we're gonna do a little drift trike.
Yeah. So basically, we're gonna build our own style. Like he's gonna build his, I'm gonna build mine. The only thing that's gonna be the same is pretty much the motor and maybe the axle and the clutch, and everything else will be our own little design. So we'll work kind of together, but maybe against each other. I don't know.
Who knows?
But that's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be great, and it's always fun when we get to do a little bit of competition together.
So we'll do some time lapse and just different
laps and drift
Dude, I'm excited.
stuff, and yeah.
I've seen a lot of drift carts online, trikes.
Yep.
And I think that'll be a fun way to kind of bring in our 5,000 subscriber mark.
Heck yeah, and stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a ton of fun. We're stoked. It's just kind of like we're kind of building the cross cart because we think that's cool. We've always wanted to build them, and then like Kurt and I, like he said, we've always seen like the drift trikes online, and they just like a ton of fun for not a lot of money. So yeah,
That's awesome. And guys, we hit 5,000 subscribers, but if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe. We really appreciate it, and let's see if we can hit the 10,000 mark or even higher. We just have a lot of fun building this stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll just be able to do more and more, and maybe even do some more elaborate builds.
Yeah.
But it's all thanks to you guys following us. We're also on Instagram and Facebook, so check us out over there.
Yeah, we noticed like half of the people that watch our videos, which we appreciate it, are not subscribed. So hit the subscribe button. Tell a couple friends about it, because if you can help us spread the word, that's awesome.
Absolutely.
But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We've got some fun and exciting things coming, and we really appreciate you guys watching, and thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab.